Hi, my name is Jason Bradley. I'm with the Bradley Insurance Group. I'm agency vice president here. Have been around here for over 20 years. With some carriers right now, there is a big push for home inspections, which a lot of carriers are inspecting about 80% of their book of business. Most carriers say 50%, but it's more along the lines of 80% that they are inspecting their houses. The companies are having inspectors go out and they are doing exterior reviews or inspections of these houses. Now, there's a lot of issues going around with being notified as the customer if you're notified by the carrier of somebody coming out to your house, which all carriers say that they are notifying. But what we found is that some people, they're either not receiving the information in mail, or they're not receiving the information via phone call either as well. So we just wanted to give you a heads up about this. This is happening. It is something that is probably necessary, especially for policies that have been on the been insured here for a while, or with whatever carrier it is, just to make sure that the condition of the house and the property that's being insured is still meet the quality and guidelines of the insurance company. Now, the way that they're going about it, we don't totally agree with not being able to get a hold of somebody saying that there's a phone call when there maybe not has been a phone call, or even letters going out in the mail. We would encourage you to open up your mail. We know it can be annoying. There's probably a lot of junk mail still, but at the same time, if you could open your mail just to make sure that if you're being notified, and even if it's insurance company or not, make sure of some of these notifications that are going out. And also, with these notifications that are going out, they don't even have to have a contact or reply back from you. They still will come out to the house as well. So we have had a bunch of phone calls on this over the last couple weeks or so, and figured it was time to address the issue that's going on. As we can completely understand, it is uncomfortable. We don't like people out at our house that we don't know who they are or what they're out there for, especially in today's age. But I think that's always been something, like we don't want people on our property that we don't know who they are. These companies that are doing the inspections are third-party companies typically, and they are hired by the main insurance company, whether it's Nationwide Insurance, Progressive, Ohio Mutual, Safeco, just to name a few carriers, but they are third parties and not the actual company. Sometimes the notification process is different per carrier, and then based on the inspection company that's coming out to the house, notification is different for each company as well. We've tried to voice our concern and our opinion on this matter. Sometimes it goes over, sometimes it does not, but we are completely understanding of being upset with some of this that's happening. On the inspections as well, whenever carriers are sending out notifications, they're saying that these notifications are sent out within previous 30 days of the actual inspection. Like we said before, we know that that's supposedly happening from the carrier standpoint, but from the customer standpoint, we're not sure if they're actually receiving these documentations too. So just a reminder on that, it's a 30-day notice previous from what they are saying.